One call, that's all. 525-8000. Attorney Morris Mark, New Orleans.